It has been decided to increase the existing limit for gold loans under the bullet repayment scheme from rupees 2 lakh to rupees 4 lakh in respect of urban cooperative banks who have met the overall target and sub-targets under the priority sector lending as on 31st March 2023. This measure is in pursuance of our earlier announcement that suitable incentives shall be provided to the UCBs that have met the prescribed priority sector lending targets as on 31st March 2023. Since its launch in January 2021, the Payments Infrastructure Development Fund, that is the PIDF scheme, has enabled over 2.66 crore. I repeat, the PIDF scheme since its launch in January 2021 has enabled over 2.66 crore new payment touch points across the country. It has been decided to extend the scheme by 2 years, that is up to December 31st, 2025. The coverage of the PIDF scheme is also being expanded, number one, to include the beneficiaries under the Prime Minister's Vishwakarma scheme, and number two, to deploy emerging modes of payment acceptance such as Soundbox and Aadhaar-enabled biometric payment acceptance devices. The next announcement relates to introduction of new channels for Card-on-File Tokenization, that is COFT. Given the growing acceptance and benefits of tokenization of card data, it is now proposed to introduce Card-on-File Tokenization creation facilities directly at the issue bank level. This measure will enhance convenience for cardholders to get tokens created and linked to their existing accounts with various e-commerce applications. Last announcement relates to master direction on internal ombudsman mechanism in the regulated entities. You would have noticed that over the recent years, we have taken a number of measures to improve the system of customers' grievance redressal in the banks as well as in the NBFCs and other entities which are regulated by the Reserve Bank. Now, at present, we have also mandated, as you know, there is an integrated ombudsman scheme of the Reserve Bank, but before that, there is an internal ombudsman scheme in the regulated entities, be it NBFCs or banks. Now, at present, internal ombudsman framework in regulated entities comprises of separate guidelines for select scheduled commercial banks, non-bank issuers of prepaid instruments, NBFCs and all credit information companies, that is CICs. These guidelines have similar design features but vary in certain operational aspects. It has been decided to effect certain changes and also consolidate and harmonize the internal ombudsman guidelines into a single master direction. This will further strengthen the customer grievance redress system of the regulated entities.